Memo akwa de ba GH viral so. Se minyat na sisi ya na chese nsema ya so social media so ena me de besom wo. Me dia ne antekama. So when you subscribe ya subscribe to Williams TV. Send your be ya o metie of our beautiful shows. Ya de brem. Kwa kese nso de nsem bia betujo e fa ne manager npa bonifo bi di na wu ne ho. Se ye nyina ebe kai a enche ye bia na Shatawale ne ex manager eye Bulldog enwon sentemba social media iso. Na nsemi kofa ban nyina ne say Bulldog be kasa fa Shatawale GOG album release no say entumi generate attention to say ya eye Black Sherif de no generate ye no na mpo so betimi adura kira ade so feature eye Black Sherif e won ne album ne so san nsemi ya anya Shatawale de ono to ba bonten be keka nsem bi fa Bulldog ho say eye kwa kese manager no npa bonifo bi di na wunu eye ono Bulldog enim hu Shatawale chere say Bulldog no an kan asem no as a secret e chere wono Shatawale na kwa kese nso aba bonten ene abekasa fa sansem yi ho. He's calling Ghana police in yankwa ne yankoti nsem a wode betu abonten ne wia enya kenyina ebesom.
It's been 1 month since Shatawale come out can't talk say he's been keeping secret about how Bulldog planned and killed my manager. I don't know what is happening in this Ghana again. That the Ghana police are still sitting on this case and not taking any action. If somebody confesses of killing somebody and we are still doing investigations, that I don't know what the investigation is about. Shatawale confessed that he's been keeping the secret. And since Bulldog is bringing out his secret, he is also bringing out that secret. And that secret is that he, Bulldog, planned and killed my manager. What evidence again are you Ghana police waiting for before you take action? The day the incident happened, the day Shatawale confessed, I called the IGP. And after that, they issued a statement. And after the statement, it's been a month. And both Shatawale and Bulldog are working there free. How does the laws work in Ghana? I'm wondering if Mr. IGP, Mr. Dampare, is still in the country. I'm wondering if the AG, the Attorney General, is still in the country. And I'm wondering if Esla Owusu, who happens to Phoenix godmother, is in this country. And I'm wondering if they heard or they know about this confession that Shatawale made. Which evidence again do you guys need? Ghana police, which evidence again do you need to take action of a murder case? The whole world is watching. I've been to the police once since I came back. Because of this issue, I came back and I've been to the police. And still no action is being taken. It means Ghana police don't care about people who have been killed. Mr. Dampare, IGP, I respect you a lot. The day Phoenix was murdered, you came to the house. The day Shatawale confessed, I screenshot the thing and sent you and you called me back. I thought action was going to be taken. There is no action being taken. We need justice. Shatawale said he's ready to confess in court. So if he be caught, you guys go make you guys take the thing go court, make Shatawale can confess. Ghana police, you have to do something. There is no investigation again you have to do. Then this is clear evidence that somebody has given you. We are watching, and God is watching. The whole world will hear about this issue. If you are being fair, if Ghana police is being fair to me, to Phoenix family.
Abusiafo we ni nsema akwa kese edebetu uja. Me to aso na me do real football mu. Although we made it to the World Cup, but yentumi ankodu baby na ye expect say be kwa akodu no. Ama nkrofo ebre ka ho nsem bebre so ye disappointed. Yanko hwe nkrofo adwen kire any some reaction towards the World Cup. Oni omoya adwen ana woni omonya adwen. For adwen kire bra comment section ho mame. Yanko mra sesi ye.
What went wrong is that we went out there with a trainer scout who has nothing to lose as our coach.
So your problem is the coach?
And his 2 assistants. Yes! For Ghana, we have talented players. Our boys are talented. Even when the coach system was bad, he was forcing them to play defensive system. The boys wanted to come forward to show what they can play or what they can display. Am I lying? Bulldog, am I lying?
True.
Even when our coach was only just relying on defensive or defending system, our boys wanted to, open themselves out there and show what the talent that we are made of as Ghana. Am I lying? True. That is it. So we sent a coach out there with his 2 assistants as part-time. How do you go to World Cup with part-time coaches?
But who are fishing now? Who to me who are the answer? See, it me who are that. No. Ghana football, sir. Me sure football. Me name football, papa. But Ghana boy, me friend Diagro. And I'm sure Ghana matches, sir. Son of Muba, son of Muba one way. Omuba, yes, shall go crowd defending. Me name the Omu defending. It's a national flag, no. Omube see moi, Omu board defense.
Son of us a Uruguay match, no we are.
Now, caution matches, Nina. That means now, because say football, and you 1 half, second half, and then game, no. In system,
Korea for the second
half. But the whole idea is that you would be behind first half. We set 10 goals for first half. We beat to take on to me to think by end they do her. Me fa akonya we so apa Asamoah Gyan cho. Me na me betina aka say na nka say ni no call World Cup because onu o say revenge. Me see ba me panicho na nka say ni no call. Because Usha game na ye boy no. Do you know why they put Suarez in? Psychological. Game ni e ko boy football any 9 year the boy ya dream year the boy.
O ma wo say Suarez e de bibia to ya.
Yes.
Nti ehu na ye message.
Yes. Na Usha ye coach no. Ye coach ko wa ye mobo na. Yo.
And a Ghana for so any dodo Juku no mo man fans because Juku crab e me get. Blah. Na wa ba ye bo. Lion. The day she service with your first goal. Ya nkodro no anto wo. Kudus ye go a Kudus ya kodro na to wo. Ni nyina no ovize beboa. Kudus is the onimbo ni bo. But field of play obobo man ho. Zion me sa ball no uni me mabobida. Yembo man kan fu yentwetwe ball ma ye ho no ya bobida. But on board as a team player. Let's prove it. Me show biya. Kudu is a good player, but on board as a team player.
As a service player.
Of course. My friend, I love him. And I'll advise him say Kudus Ojiba on board as a team player.
Me mo akwa the GH virus. We come my man nyina. Kwame Obade has this message for us. Also saw your ba money na ho yie pa na some guys are dangerous. Young comrades is here.
Sister Bronya ba boys sleep with her terminal 3 kro ni mo but okita British accent and was answer some there. Sa boys nhwe ni yie. O de any sa na wa dwane. Why? Onye boga sister you careful. Ema accent ni asom there na ada o. That's
Aha, and the adwumade ni nyina esi. So unsubscribe ya subscribe to Williams TV. Na ne beto from bia yesa de besom makram.
Doggy social media, yeah. Yebeka.